Hello everyone, my name is Husniara Parvin. Today we are going to see the parts of a tree and their functions. Now let's begin. Here is the labeled diagram of a typical plant. Here you can see fruit, leaf, roots, flower and stems are mentioned. We will discuss every part briefly. Let's come to the fruit first. Fruit gives protection to the seeds from the outer environment. Now let's come to the leaf, which is green in color due to the presence of chlorophyll. Leaves perform photosynthesis to produce food for the tree. Now there are flowers in trees which helps in reproduction by attracting insects, and then stem which helps the plant to stand erect. There are roots which are actually of two types. Here only root is mentioned. Let me show you its two basic types. One is taproot, which you can see here, and another is adventitious root, which you can see in the corner. Taproot is divided into two parts: primary root, which gives strength to the body, and the secondary roots, which absorbs water and dissolved minerals from the soil. Roots also acts as storage of food for the plant. Now let me show you the nodes. Below the leaf you can see node is written. The joint between branch and stem is called node, and the space between two nodes are called internodes, which is written above the fruit. This is the end. Let's move on to the interesting part, that is question answer part. Did you know why does a tree need branches? Well, the answer is to carry enough leaves. Why does a tree need so much leaves? The answer is to produce enough food during long sunny days. Why do some trees shed their leaves in autumn? Because during short days, leaf cannot produce enough food. So rather than feed their leaves too, some trees shed their leaves in autumn. That is it for today's video. If you have enjoyed the video, then please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.